In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and validate an SSL certificate for a Namecheap domain. If you own a website, ensuring it has a secure connection is essential. SSL, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer, provides just that by encrypting the data between your website and its visitors. Not only does this protect sensitive information, but it also boosts your website's credibility. So, let's dive into how you can get this set up for your Namecheap domain. First, head over to Namecheap's website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the dashboard area. It's usually the main section after you log in and should be easy to locate. Scan through your list of purchased products here and then find the relevant SSL certificate that you've already bought. Now, next to your SSL product, you'll see a button labeled Activate. Click on that to begin the process. Now, you'll need to generate a certificate signing request, or CSR, from your hosting provider. This part is crucial because a CSR encodes information about your website and your organization, which SSL issuers need to issue your certificate. This typically involves going into your hosting account, finding the SSL or security section, and following their instructions to generate a CSR. Once you have your CSR code, come back to Namecheap and paste it into the designated field. After submitting your CSR, you need to select your server type. Most of the time, you're going to go for the option matching your hosting setup, such as Apache, Nginx, or others that might apply. If you're unsure, your hosting provider can usually help. Next, we'll move on to the validation step. This process ensures that you're authorized to request an SSL certificate for the domain. Namecheap offers several methods for this, like email validation, DNS verification, or HTTP-based validation. The simplest way usually involves email validation. They will send a confirmation email to the listed domain contact. Just make sure you have access to the email address listed publicly or in your domain settings as the owner or administrator. Once you get the email, simply follow the link to confirm that you're requesting the SSL certificate. Once the validation is complete, Namecheap will issue the certificate. You'll get an email from them containing the certificate files, often including the intermediate certificate that your web server will need. The next step is to install your SSL certificate on your hosting account. Go back to your hosting provider's control panel, find the SSL section, and upload these files as directed by your host. Double-check your installation by visiting your site with HTTPS. If everything is correct, you should see the padlock icon in the address bar, indicating your site is secure. Consider checking your website's settings to ensure that all traffic is automatically redirected to the HTTPS version of your site. This makes sure that all data transmissions are always secured. And there you have it. You've successfully activated and validated an SSL certificate for your Namecheap domain. Feel free to share any questions in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching.